And welcome back to Everyday Matters with Tari. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. Okay, so I bumped into this website online, and I saw it everywhere, on my Facebook, on my Instagram, on everywhere you can think of, on Twitter, everywhere. And I thought I'll give it a go, and I went on and I ordered a few things. When I say a few, I ordered a few things that I liked, and I thought I would order a few more things, and this is what I got. You can see it's quite a lot. And what I'm going to do today, I'm going to open this box with you and just show you what I have, and I will do an honest review about this product, what I think about the products. The ones I ordered before were okay, including this smartwatch I'm wearing here. Okay, I ordered it from the website as well, and it's amazing. An amazing feature. I ordered a few things, like I said before, and I went again to order, so you can see where my money is going. Okay, but I thought I would just open this box with you and show you what's in it, and if it's good, I will tell you. If it's no good, I will tell you as well. There's one of the products I ordered that wasn't good. I quickly got a refund without any questions asked. I got a refund for that one, which I think was amazing customer service, to be honest. Okay, but I'll open this box and show you what I've got in the box and tell you what I actually think. But before I do that, if this is your first time of coming to my channel and you like videos like this, product reviews and relationship Q&As I do on my channel, if you like vlogs, then please subscribe. Turn on your bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos going forward. Let's open this box together. Okay, I'm just gonna start opening it, if I can find where to open it from. Okay, it's got my name and address on it, obviously, so let's go. I'm just using the scissors to cut it. I'm not going from where it was sealed, but let's have a look. Like I said, I ordered a few things, so right. Okay, so this is what I've got in the box. Like I said, quite a few things in the box. I'll show you in a few minutes. Oops. So here, quite a few things. So the first thing I've got is this. So this is the one that I'm most excited about. So it's a video making kit. So it's got a tripod and a microphone, and I saw it and I thought I'll buy it because of my YouTube videos and all of that. So that's the major reason, the thing I'm most excited about, this one here. Okay, so I got this. It's a vegetable, what's it called again? It's a kitchen idea. So it's a veggie slicer, so you use it to slice the vegetables. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Like I said, I'll try them and tell you what I actually think about them as well. Okay, but that will be in a different video because I can't use everything today. Okay, so I got this. For God's sake, what is this that I've got? I don't know what this is, but it's something. I'll tell you eventually. I think this is an ice cream scoop. I'm almost sure. I think I'll open this one for you so you can have a look, see what's in it. Oh, actually no, it's not. I ordered the sunglasses. Look, for this, we are getting into the summer now, so yes, it's sunglasses for the summer. I'll open this one as well so that we'll just find out what's in it. You see, when you order things and you don't know what you've ordered. So, oh, this is a water bottle. So it's a water bottle. I saw I'm a huge drinker of water, especially in the summer. So this is what I'm going to be using, and actually time myself. The plan is to finish at least one of these bottles a day. Okay, so that's what this one is. Okay, so this one is, okay, here is my ice cream scoop. Again, in the summer it gets really warm and you just want to have some ice cream, and I haven't got the scoop at home, so I thought I would buy one. Okay, and then this is a pair of trainers I ordered. Okay, pair of trainers I ordered. They look absolutely beautiful, as you can see, but I'll try them on and show you as well. Okay, and last but not the least is a pair of a dress I ordered as well. So this is for church on Sunday. I'm wearing it to church on Sunday, but I'll try it and show you what it looks like as well. Okay, so these are the products that I ordered from this website. They all look amazing so far. Okay, the ones I ordered before were good. They were really good. And the name of the website is Temu. It's shop like a billionaire. Okay, so the things are really cheap as in very cheap. They're quite good quality as well. I ordered a water bottle, water flask as well, because I drink water a lot. So in the summer I drink cold water, and in the winter I drink warm water. So I bought a hot water bottle as well in my last order. And this one I bought normal cold water bottle. The things are quite good and they're really cheap. I think they're doing sales in the UK. Sales in the UK, massive sales. They're selling things for £1, £2, £5, £10, as low as you can imagine. Okay, but the products are really good. Like I said, I'll try them and show you. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I'm happy to be back as well. But thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.